Hey there, coding wizards. Welcome back to Bazai, your ultimate hub for cutting-edge tech insights. Let's dive into GitHub Copilot's agent mode and next edit suggestions, straight from GitHub's latest updates. If you're a developer looking to supercharge your workflow with AI-powered coding assistance, this is for you. We'll break down the features with technical depth and show you how they can transform your projects. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's code smarter. Agent mode, your autonomous coding partner. First up, let's talk about GitHub Copilot's agent mode, now supercharged with the Model Context Protocol framework. When you assign open issues to Copilot, it acts as an autonomous coding agent, leveraging GitHub Actions to plan, write, test, and iterate on code in the background. It hooks into MCP servers to access repository data and external resources, functioning like an onboard team member with deep project understanding. For example, Copilot can analyze your codebase, propose fixes, run automated tests via CI/CD pipelines, and deliver ready-to-review pull requests, all while you focus on higher-level tasks. You can guide it with comments, polish the code in your IDE, or take over manually, ensuring a seamless human-agent collaboration. Agent mode is available in preview for Pro Plus users and supports IDEs like VS Code, JetBrains, and Xcode. This is delegation done right. Next edit suggestions, ripple effect management. Next, let's explore next edit suggestions, a game changer for maintaining consistency across your project. When you make a change in your codebase, Copilot analyzes the ripple effects and suggests subsequent edits to keep everything in sync. For instance, if you update a function signature, Copilot highlights impacted files and proposes adjustments, like updating function calls or dependencies via an active popover in your editor. You can accept suggestions with a tab, reject them with escape, or collapse the view for later. This feature integrates with models like Claude 3.7 Sonnet or Gemini 2.0 Flash, ensuring fast and context-aware suggestions. It's perfect for large-scale refactors, saving you hours of manual debugging. Model flexibility and code review. What makes Copilot even more powerful? Its ability to swap between models like Claude 3.7 Sonnet, OpenAI o1, and Gemini 2.0 Flash for speed or depth, depending on your task. Plus, the code review feature acts as your guardian angel, analyzing your work, uncovering hidden bugs, and fixing issues before they reach human reviewers. Available in Pro and Pro Plus plans, these features ensure your code is production-ready. Whether you're on VS Code, Visual Studio, or JetBrains, Copilot has you covered. And that's a wrap, folks. GitHub Copilot's agent mode and next edit suggestions in action. From autonomous coding to seamless refactors, you're now ready to build faster and smarter. If this deep dive got you pumped, smash that like button, subscribe to Bazai, and ring the bell for more tech insights. Drop a comment on how you're using Copilot. I'd love to hear. Catch you in the next video, and until then, keep coding and stay awesome. Subscribe to Bazai for more AI and tech tutorials. See you next time.